I've always loved vibrant festivals and scenic nature getaways. Studying in Adelaide turned that passion into a career path with year-round events and natural beauty right at my fingertips. My enthusiasm for the hospitality industry, combined with the network I built here, led me to my current role as a food and beverage team leader at Sofitel Adelaide. I chose Kaplan Business School for its affordability and high-quality MBA program. I specialize in two streams, hospitality and tourism leadership, which built on my undergraduate program, and digital management, a new and exciting area for me. My studies have put me at the forefront of the evolving digital world, which has really inspired me, and through my work and study, I've been able to gain insider knowledge of Adelaide's hospitality industry and how new technology is transforming business operations. Although I wasn't involved in a formal internship program, I gained valuable hands-on experience through my part-time role in the hospitality industry. This role allowed me to apply my theoretical knowledge from my MBA studies, particularly in hospitality and tourism leadership, directly into real-world settings, helping me build skills in customer service, team coordination, and operational efficiency. A key factor in landing my current role was staying proactive and taking part in programs offered by both my university and StudyAdelaide. As a student ambassador for both StudyAdelaide and Kaplan Business School, one of the highlights of my journey was serving as a panelist at the ISANA National Conference. I also received the Outstanding Engagement Award at Kaplan for my dedication as a student ambassador. These experiences not only boosted my confidence, but also helped me develop valuable interpersonal skills and build connections with both the community and industry leaders. Outside of my work and study, I am making the most of my life at Adelaide. The city is rich in food, culture, festivals, and nature, and I'm grateful that the work and life balance here gives me all the time to enjoy it all. Whether it's hiking at Mount Lofty, taking peaceful walks along the coastline, or exploring Central Market and discovering new cafes, it's easy to find your own sense of calm and joy. I also volunteer regularly. Over the past few years, I volunteered at the zoo, a hospital, aged care homes, and fundraising events. Adelaide offers so many ways to get involved, and the people you meet often become mentors, friends, or even future colleagues. If you're considering Adelaide as your study destination, I can honestly say you won't regret it. For me, choosing Adelaide was one of the best decisions I've ever made.